At the section D, you can see for the section D, there is 30 marks for the uh, particular question. When you go through the section D, you can see they're looking for some report. To generate the report, we need to build up a SQL. Okay, let's together build up the SQL. They need at the very beginning they need customer name and the contact number. How you do? Select customer dot name, comma, contact number, then I write the from statement from, where is it, customer table. Okay, if you run this query, definitely it's right, then it's the three customer contact, the available customer names and their contact numbers. Okay, in the next level, I want to get the sum of the sum of the total payments. Okay, sum of the usage. Okay, then I need another select statement within the brackets. Select sum of what usage dot units from usage table. But still we are having a condition where customer ID should equal with the okay, usage dot customer ID equal usage dot customer ID usage dot customer ID should equal with the customer dot ID. Okay, as to usages. Okay, it will list up all the available usage in here. And next, like the same, I put a comma to separate to get display the other element. Like same, I will get the payments dot amount from the payment table and payment dot custom ID supposed to be equal with this one, and I will make it as the payee payments. Okay, when you run this one you can get the expected output. But anyway, keep it in your mind, you no need to actually the question asked, if you go through the question, if it is exactly asking not this SQL, actually they want some they want a SQL with actually they need the SQL for the specific duration. So I would like to add few end commands and usage dot date should be less than this date, twenty nineteen 01/02. Okay, 31 if you want. And further end, actually this date should be greater than this one and less than 831. Again it will generate the same information like the same. I will actually in here by the end, and it's not usage, payment date and like the same, so you can generate same information. If you changing to here for a 8:30, then it will generate the null values. Okay, that's quite bad anyway. Default 0. Okay, just forget about this one. Even it doesn't matter, even it's provide null, it don't have value, it's okay to put null. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, how are we going to implement this this report? Okay, let's go to the development section and go to the customer form. Okay, now you can drag and drop a report button for displaying report. btn report, triple dots 1 2 3, because it's not leading for okay. And also I want to develop the report form. Right click, add new item, go to the Windows form and say it's the report. Okay, now this is my report thing, so I will add the data grid view. They are looking for the data grid view, that's why I am putting the data grid view here. Okay, and I will change this into DGV report. Further, I want to add two labels. One is supposed to be in here, the other one supposed to be somewhere here. Further, I want to have date and time. This one, date and time picker, and date and time picker in here. The same. DT end, DT start. This is from, okay, it's mistake. From 2, you have to select the from date and hit N, another button, generate report, btn report, make report. Okay, now within this uh, report table, to execute the, could you remember, to execute the query, I have make my own class called this one. So I am not going to repeat my queries again and again. So I use my data manager db equal new data manager, my data manager, my data manager. Okay. And myself, I have to develop the SQL, string SQL, string SQL equals something here, blah blah blah, and copy and paste. Okay, before doing the copy and paste, I want to rearrange the statement like here. Still it's executing fine because okay, now it's I have taken the same SQL into one single line and Control C and paste it over here. No need to worry, it's very lengthy. Don't get panic. You can break, like by pressing enter, you can break into several lines. No worries. So you can make it to several many lines. But in this case, I don't want to generate many lines, so because there are no requirement for myself to generate for a new line, but I want to change those values. Those values comes from the uh, date and time input box. Okay, now I will change bt start dot new value dot to string yymmd, like the same input supposed to be in here. Apart from start, this should be the end value. Okay, and this is SQL. Once you run this SQL, you can generate the data table. How you get the data table? Data table equal db dot get data square and run it, and you can it will generate the data table. Once you get the data table, then you have to set the data grid. Okay, data grid. Something is wrong. Let's see, and let's go to the okay dvg report. dgv it is not dgv report. dvg report dot data source equal this table. That's the end of this method. And to open this form, how I'm open this form, go to the custom. Once someone click on in here, I have to generate the object of this form. How I'm making the report. Report. Actually, it should be report form, but unfortunately, I have just written the report. Okay, I have written the report, so you can use obj equal new report. Let's run the report and show it. Okay, let's run and see how it's working. Okay, you have to go to once you click the report, it will generate this view. To make the report, you can change the value to somewhere here, and making the report give the exact value by changing your time duration to June. The figures will be changed depending on the requirements. So you have to be very careful when you're developing this thing. Actually, even it's consume huge amounts of marks. They are assigning huge amounts of mark. You can feel you don't need to too much thing. You don't need too much play. Hopefully, you can enjoy it and try by yourself. And if you have any difficulty, you can ask from me. Maybe it's over the phone, through the batch reps. Everything is fine with me. Okay, have a wonderful and great day.